Papa. What the? Hey, Papa, what are you doing? Papa, get back here. Tata? Hey. Tata? What the fuck? Papa? What happened? Papa? That was the only charge I had, and I saved her.
Nice. Oh, he's got no way out. Of course he does.
Oh my god. The saves again. This is going to be a long... Oh my god. This is my boy. Wow. Oh my god!
Girl, come back. All right, fine.
Oh shit.
I got you this time.
Yeah.
Nice.
Oh my god, I'm the one that's gonna get cut. He's after me! Oh my god, how did he see me? I
Oh,
did.
he did. That's what he was saying.
Come to the door.
Where is she?
I'm at the other door. Leave if you have to.
Why didn't you open it?
There's no way that worked. There's no way that worked. There's
You.
I have to clip that.
I'm like running in circles around him and he keeps missing.
I have to try to clip this. That was brilliant. Oh!
Wow.
Oh my god!
That was so close.
That was fucked.
He keeps bouncing. What the hell's happening? Is he on a mushroom? There's someone downed up there.
Oh my, I am fucking disgusting.
Okay. Did you kill him?
Got both of them, but you should have seen how I killed them both. So there you have it. All checked off. Oh, that is sick. That is so cool. And there's my trophy. And then I also have this stuff. So I'm missing 1 foot and that's it.
So is that all of them?
Hells yeah, go look at my trophy. Let's go! Let's freaking go. Yes, sir. Let's go. Chat. I had to take it into my own hands. You understand, my boys? This is gonna be, and that's, I'm gonna come in first place. Are you ready?
Do it.
Oh, Santa Claus! I ran out of battery! No! That is fucked. I didn't even
I'm
quote.
sorry, but that's hilarious.
That is so fucked.
Fuck off, he's by me! Run! Sound like he said marry me.
Let me
He
heal you,
said
Dave.
Perry?
What's
I don't
that?
know. Oh god!
Oh no, wait, no.
Get shit on, boy.
Fuck yeah!
That's what I wanted to do. That's what I wanted to do. Okay, now we can go, my boy.
Does he have ruin? Yes, yeah, Hex.
No.
Oh shit, sorry Dave, I didn't know you were down there.
It's all good. Because I'm going to do that.
That was bullshit.
I'm going to do a little
Let's
something,
face
something.
the darkness.
Eat it, bitch, yeah!
Look,
Yeah. Run for your life, my boy. Run. My name is Stephen Harrington. Suck it, Ghostface, my boy. It's okay, my boy. You're fine. Just say,
I'm like at the main building.
yeah, like I'm here too. Are you upstairs?
No.
Oh shit, he's here.
Ah! We're stuck! You body blocked me.
Safe.
Nice.
See, his back was facing me there. Had to get into position. Had to get into position. We'll find out. Don't do the on. I got you, my boy. Oh, oh. Chad.
Yeah. Average Legion match. Oh, he whiffed it so many times. Nice.
Let's
He
go.
swipes early.
I've gotten so much better at flashlight saves.
Oh fuck! God damn! I tried to vote the.
Let's go. Just a little fucking dip. Oh,
Almost made it to the pallet. I'm at it. Ah, nobody's here to throw it.
no. Let's go, Nitzel, run!
Nice.
Let's fucking go. That's what I'm talking about. Get out of here, Nemi.